We are going to paint 10 different Christmas trees using 10 different creative ideas. This is the fourth card in the series and we are going to paint neon light Christmas tree. This is the sketch needed for this painting. Pause the video and draw the sketch. I start by painting parrot green. If you don't have this green, mix sap green with lemon yellow and you will get this vibrant green. While the paper is still wet, I am adding blue to the corners and merge it with the green so that there is even transition of color from dark green to light green. Remove all the excess water collected near the tip and then allow the paper to dry completely. Now the paper is completely dry and I am using acrylic white to paint over the sketch. After adding acrylic white over the sketch, now use green color to paint near that white paint to give 3D effect to our neon Christmas tree. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.